Niniejszy kurs został opracowany w ramach projektu TEFFIC, finansowanego z programu Erasmus+, i udostępniony do tłumaczenia i celów edukacyjnych w projekcie Nauczyciel 4.0, realizowanym przez Fundację Platforma Przemysłu Przyszłości oraz International Development Norway ze środków programu Edukacja i norweskich mechanizmów finansowych.
Welcome to TEFFIC and Industry 4.0, the first in a series of educational e-learning elements which constitutes an educational framework for learning activities in the contemporary industrial world. But first, TEFFIC is a project funded by EU through the Erasmus Plus programme. Participants in the international group are Aalborg University from Denmark, Europa Universitet Flensburg, based in North Germany, Thomas More in Belgium, Tallinn University of Technology of Estonia, and Fagskolen Tinus Olsen, based in Norway. The lead applicant and coordinator of the project is the University College of Northern Denmark. Industry 4.0 is described as the trend towards automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies and processes which include cyber-physical systems, the Internet of Things, Industrial Internet of Things, cloud computing, cognitive computing, and artificial intelligence. The name suggests that this trend moves towards a new industrial paradigm which provides a boost in productivity at a scale that matches the previous 3 industrial revolutions. The TEFFIC project started out with a thorough mapping of the industry's learning needs in the participating countries. This was done to establish the competence profiles or skill sets needed in the industry to meet the Industry 4.0 trend. The project also analysed the learning environments in the participating institutions and how this must be adapted to meet the specific needs for training in the new industry paradigm. The industry analysis showed 3 major factors that set training for the industrial future apart from traditional training in technical subjects. First of all, Industry 4.0 requires that employees are expected to possess competences within several different technologies. In fact, interdisciplinarity and communication of employees are viewed as enablers of implementing integrated systems rather than isolated standalone solutions. Secondly, the study further implies that the future engineers working within the Industry 4.0 domain must not only have competences within technology, but also business insight in order to identify where technology can improve operations and support innovation. This is traditionally not incorporated into the majority of engineering programs and is thus potentially an area of interest to increase the utilization and benefits of the Industry 4.0 technology. The third factor that the industrial analysis gave us was, not quite unexpected, a realization that the speed of technological development and transformation is rapidly increasing. Thus, the demand for shorter development cycle in educational activities has dramatically increased. The institutions must realize that a close cooperation with the industry is needed and that the educational programs must be continuously adapted to the rapid changing needs in the world of work. Based on these factors, the technological subjects, the need for personal development, and the science of vocational pedagogy, TEFFIC has developed a pedagogical framework to be used by educators for design of learning activities in Industry 4.0. The framework has materialized as a series of e-learning elements covering different topics and principles deemed important for learning in a modern industrial context. This concludes the introduction to the Industry 4.0 and the consequences for future competence demand. After you have finished this video, take some time to reflect upon and suggest answers to these questions. 1. How can you incorporate interdisciplinarity in your Industry 4.0 training? 2. Are business cases a natural part of your Industry 4.0 curriculum? And 3. How often do you think it's suitable to revise your Industry 4.0 training programs? The next video in this series is about the structure of the TEFFIC series of pedagogical e-learning elements for Industry 4.0 training.